Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today I'm going to the next lesson. Can you write down the title of the lesson? Number line and Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Under this title, write down the subtitle number line. Okay. Can you remember what is the number line? Can you remember? There is arrow in the right side of the middle of it. What is it? It's 0. Then right side of the 0. What is the numbers are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise. Then what are the left side of the 0?
-1,
-1,
-2,
-2,
-3,
-3, -4, -5, -6. Likewise. Okay. Can you draw the number line? Can you see what are the gaps between every consecutive numbers? What are? Is it equal or not equal? Consecutive numbers distance are equal. Then the every consecutive number distance are equal, and we mark the arrow in the right side. Okay. Can you write it? Every number in right side. Respective to any number is greater. Okay. If we take any number, okay, if I am taking 2, okay, it's +2. If I am taking +2, where is the +2? Here. Okay. Then what are the numbers at the right side of the 2. What are the දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියෙන්නේ මොනවද? Plus 2 වලට. What are the numbers?
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6. Okay. Then every number at the right side. Okay. What are the right side? Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise. Okay. Then every number in the right side greater than the what? First number. What is the first number? Is plus 2. Okay. Then plus 2 is what is? Plus 2 less than 6. We can write. Also, we can write plus 2 less than. How we can write any number? Plus 2 less than 5. How we write? We read this. Plus 2 less than. Okay. Plus 2 less than 6. Plus 6. Okay. We read from this one, this side. Okay. From the left side. If it's less, make පොඩියට තියෙනවා නම් we read it as less. Okay. Then we can write plus 2 less than 5. Okay. Plus 2 less than plus 5. Okay. Can you understand it? දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියෙනවා මොකද වෙන්නේ? Any number are greater than the first number. Can you understand it? ඒක තේරුණා. Okay. Every number in the right side are greater than the first number. After you finish the writing, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Little mini, I finish. Okay. Next time, going to the represent the number. Write down the subtitle. Represent number in number on number line. Okay, represent number on number line. Can you draw a number line? It's 0, 1, 2, 3. The spaces between the consecutive numbers are equal. And 7, 8. Okay. එක ළඟ තියෙන සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක් අතර පරතරය සමානයි. Every gap between the consecutive numbers are equal. Okay. I am plotting a number on the number line. What is the number? Can you tell me what is the what is the sign of this one? Plus 3, ned? Then can you get what is this?
-3.
-3. Okay. I am plotting other numbers and you have to what is the number. Okay. Minus පැත්තේ පොඩි වැරදීමක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. Then -7 and -8. Okay. -7 and -8. Okay. -7. After you finish the writing numbers, raise hand. ඉවරුණ ගමන් raise hand කරන්න. Tulara, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Disasna, are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this number plotted on the number line? In the arrow mark? -. minus 7. What is this one? Minus 3. It's we discussed before. Then what is this one? Minus
minus
2. This one?
0.
0. Then this one? 3. Okay. Then this one, what? It's also discussed previous, plus 3. Then plus 5. What is this one? Plus
6.
plus 6. Okay. Now you know how to represent any number product on the number line. Okay. I finish this one. You are right. Okay. Represent inequality on number line. Okay. What is this one? This is greater than. Okay. This one is, we start from here. It's less than. Okay. I am representing again number line. Okay. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Then I am taking 3 and minus 2. Okay. What is the greater number? Minus 2 or sorry, 3 or minus 2? What is the greater number? Loku kokada? Can you tell me?
3.
3. 3 is greater. Okay. Now you have to select the what is the sign for the inequality. What is the first one or second one? මොකද්ද ඔය අපි අතර first one නේද? Is 3 is greater than minus 2. How we write it? 3 greater than කොයි පැත්තද මේක? දැන් මේක තියෙන්නේ දකුණු පැත්තේ නේද? එතකොට දකුණු පැත්තේවා තියෙනවා right side ඒවා මං කිව්ව මොකද්ද? It's a greater. Okay. Then 3 greater than minus 2 නේද? Can you write it? Okay. Then I'm asking another. Minus 3 and plus 5. What is the sign should be take between these two numbers? First or second? Second. කොකද ලොකු එක පැත්තට නේද කට ඇරිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ කොකද? 5 නේද? Then how we write it? Minus 3. How we read it? මෙන්න වචනේ. Minus 3
less than minus plus 5
less than
plus 5
plus 5. Okay. Three and 0. කෝකද ලියන්න ඕනේ අපි? First sign or second sign? වැඩියෙන් දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ කෝකද? 0 එකද 3ද?
3
3. Then the open mouth of the inequality should be face to 3. Okay. එහෙනම් මේ පැත්තට තමයි ඇරලා තියෙන්නේ. How we read it now? How we read?
Three greater than 0.
Yes, 3 greater than
0.
3 greater than 0. Can you get the answer? These. The open face of the inequality should be face to the right number. Right side number එක පැත්තට හැරලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ.
Sir, I joined now, sir.
Okay. We did this one number line. Wait. Can you get a screenshot?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Second one, I am plotted the numbers on the number line and write the what are the numbers on the number line.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we are doing this one. Can you understand, Claudia? This is this inequality. The first sign is greater than. Okay. We start from the left side. The open face. If we face to the open face first, its sign is greater than. Then first we reach from the left side. It's a less than sign. Okay. මේ open mouth එක අපිට මුලින්ම හම්බ වෙනවා නම් ඒක greater than. If we face to the closed face එක හම්බ වෙනවා නම් මේ inequality එකේ it's less than. Okay. Then first one plus 3. Plus 3 is the right side the number. Right side on the right side on the number line. Then the minus 2. Minus 2 එකට වැඩිය දකුණු පැත්තෙන් නේද තියෙන්නේ plus 3 එක. Then plus 3 here, minus 2 here. Okay. Then plus 3 is the greater number. දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියෙන එක තමයි greater number එක වෙන්නේ. එතකොට 3 greater than minus 2. Can you understand it? දකුණු පැත්තෙන් තියෙන එක පැත්තට අපි open face එක දාලා ලියනවා මේ inequality එක. Okay. Claudia, can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then second one, minus 2 is the left side number than the plus 5. So we can write the open face to the plus 5. It's minus 3 less than plus 5. Okay. Then also plus 3 is greater number than the 0 because the plus 3 is the right side of the number line than the 0. So 3 is greater than 0. Okay. Then fourth one, what is the answer? What is the first sign or second sign? Fourth one again.
Second sign.
Yes, second sign. How we read it?
Minus 2
Hmm.
less than
Less than
plus 3.
plus 3. Okay. Then fifth one, what is the answer?
Minus 2
Hmm.
less than positive 4.
Yes. Minus 2 less than positive 4. Okay. After you finish, raise hand. දුලාර දැන් පින් වුණා නේද වීඩියෝ එක? හරි ඔයාලා මේ ફોકස් වුණා නේද? ફોකස් මෝඩ් එකට ආව නේද මේ එක? my video එක? After you finish, raise hand. Tesandi, Litumini, Dulara, Claudia, I finished the writing. Okay, Tesandi, I finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this taken from the your review questions. The number line is not given. Can you remember what is the number line? Now you have to think about the number line. ඔයාලා number line එක දැන් හිතේ තියාගන්න. Then can you put down the what is the appropriate inequality sign? Okay, first one. Then I am taking this one as a greater than. Okay, greater than. Then this one is less than. Okay. Then can you remember what is the timeline? It's middle of the number line is what? It's 0. Then right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise. Then left side is -1, -2, -3, -4. Then can you remember what are the situated these 5 and -2 on the number line? ඔයාලට මතකයිද කොයි පැත්තේද +5 එකයි -2 එකයි තියෙන්නේ? Can you remember? Okay. Yeah, you can you have to remember 5 and +5 and -2 were situated on the number line. Okay. Now you have to put down the what is the inequality sign, the first one or second one. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the sign, first one or second one for the number Roman number 1? Okay, පළවෙනි එකද දෙවෙනි එක දෙන්නේ? කොකද දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන එක පැත්තට තමයි මොකද්ද number line එකේ දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන එක පැත්තට තමයි මොකද්ද තියෙන්න ඕනේ? අර කට ඇරිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? දැන් කෝකේ පැත්තද කට ඇරිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. You have to choose the number. What is the first one or second one? If you can put the number to the chat box. First one නේද? දකුණු පැත්තේ කෝකද තියෙන්නේ number line එකේ? If we check the number line බලන්න +5 එක නේද දකුණු පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒ පැත්තට නේද මේකේ? Open mouth. Is it? How we read it? How we read the inequality? +5 කොහොමද කියන්නේ? +5
Greater than -2.
yes, greater than -2. Can you send me the other answers? You need to write the question first or second, then third one you have to put the first or second its value. Okay, එකද දෙකද කියලා ඔයාලට තෝරලා එවන්න පුළුවන්. Can you put the, you have to write down the answers on your textbook, sorry, writing book, and send me the answer. Can you do? Tiranta answers are correct. Lutisha answers are correct. Claudia answers are correct. Litumini answers are correct. Tisasna answers are correct. Okay, I'm going to discuss it now. Okay, what is the second one again? Answer එක මොකක්ද? කොකද ලොකු? What is the greater number is 3 or 0? Greater number 3. Then 3 is greater than 0. Next one, -5 or 0 is greater.
0.
0. Then -5 less than 0. Okay. අපි මේ හැම එකම මේ වම් පැත්තේ ඉඳන් අපි කොහමද? We reading every letter by the left to right. So අපි මේ පැත්තේ ඉඳන් යනකොට 5 greater than -2. එතකොට මේ පැත්තේ ඉඳන් යනකොට 3 greater than 0. අපි මේ පැත්තේ ඉඳන් යනකොට -5 less than 0. Then how we read the fourth one? What is the greater number? -10 or -1?
-1.
-1. How we read it? -5, -10.
-10 less than -1.
Yes, -10 less than -1. How we read the fifth one? What is the greater number? 5 or -7?
5.
5. Okay. Now, how we read it?
5 greater than minus 7.
Yes. 5 greater than minus 7. Sixth one, how we read it?
0 greater than minus 3.
0 greater than minus 3. Okay. Are you correct all? Haridha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you finish this question, raise hand now. ඉවරයි රේස් හෑන්ඩ් කරන්න. එතකොට තමයි මට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉවරද කියලා. නැත්නම් මම දන්නේ නැතුව යනවනේ next slide එකට. Okay. Then can you what is the ascending order? Can you remember what is the ascending order? Ascending order?
Smallest to biggest.
Yes, smallest to biggest. What is the descending order?
Biggest to smallest.
Descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay, if you want to write down the what are the meaning of the letters ascending and descending order, write down it. Biggest to smallest. Okay. Then question says write the integers 7 minus 8, 0 minus 3, 5 minus 4 in ascending order. Okay. Can you identify the smallest number in this
Minus
number?
8.
Minus 8. Okay. Write down it ascending order and send me the answer. Can you put it ascending order? You know now how to do. If you cannot get identify the what is the less number, remember the number line. Yes, Claudia answer is correct. Send me to the answer to the chat box. Yes, Ludisha answer is correct. Yes, Litumini answer is correct. Chiranta answer is correct. Isasna answer is correct. ඉතුරු අය ඉක්මනට එවන්න ආන්සර් එක. Dehan's answer is correct. Tesan, the answer is correct. Okay. Can you tell me what is the smallest number from these given numbers? What is the smallest one? Is -8, is it? Next one, next smallest. Sorry, yes, next smallest.
Minus
-4. Next one is
-3.
-3. Next one,
0.
0. Next one,
5.
5. Next one,
7.
next 7.
7.
Okay. All are correct, these answer. Okay. All right. Now I am going to explain the Cartesian plane. Okay. Write down the subtopic. Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. Okay. Then you should draw the Cartesian plane axis. ඔයාලට පේනවද මගේ smallest squares පේනවද ඔයාලට? Can you see my squares on the whiteboard? Can you see? ඔයාලට කොටු පේනවද?
Yes.
හරි. අන්නේ කොටු වල තියෙන අර ඉරක් දිගේ තමයි අඳින්න ඕනේ axis එක. Okay? Can you do? I think you can do it. Okay. Then you have to name the vertical axis. මේ කෙලින් තියෙන axis එක අපි y කියලා ලකුණු කරනවා. Then horizontal axis we name it as a y. Sorry, x. හරි. Then x and y. Then you know the gaps should be equal at any time. Okay. The consecutive numbers අතර gaps මොකද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Should be equal. Then 5, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, likewise. Okay. Then what is the origin? We call the middle of the two axes, we call it 0. Okay. The y values and x value both 0. It's named as O. O means what? Origin. Okay. It's origin. අපි origin එක කියනවා. හරි? Origin. Then the all gaps should be equal. Then what is? Then -1, -2, -3, -4, likewise. Okay. Can you do? After you finish the drawing the Cartesian plane, raise hand. Okay. Okay, after you finish the drawing Cartesian plane, raise hand. Okay, now I am giving a coordinate. Okay, අපි බෙන්න මේ වගේ එකකට කියනවා 2,1. What is this? Is a coordinate. We use the brackets and comma between the two axes. Okay, first one is as a x coordinate, and second number is we get y coordinate. Okay, what is the coordinate now? 2 x වල 2 කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? What is x2? මෙන්න මෙතන නේද? I am using the red color for x2. Where is y2? Y1? Y1. Can you get y1 is here නේද? Okay, the x numbers. Okay, x වල බලන්න මෙන්න මෙතනින්. Can you I'm using it red color. Okay, then x is x-axis. X is 2. මොකද වෙන්නේ? දෙක මම පෙන්නනවා. මෙන්න මේ axis, මෙන්න මෙතනදී බලන්න x axis එකේ coordinate එක කීයද? Can you get the x axis? What is? මෙන්න මෙතනදී මොකද වෙන්නේ? x axis එකේ මෙන්න යටින් කීයද තියෙන්නේ මෙතන x? It's 2 නේද? මෙතනදී what is?
1.
එතනදිත් x axis එකේ මොකද x coordinate එක වෙනස් වෙනවද? නෑ නේද? යටින් මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ හැම වෙලේම? 2යි නේද තියෙන්නේ? හරි. මෙතෙන්ද ගියත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? x axis එක 2 වෙන්නේ. හරි. Then මෙතෙන්ද ගියොත් x axis එකේ coordinate එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? වෙනස් වෙනවද?
No.
No. Then what is this? This point?
No.
No. It's also 2 නේද? Okay. Then මෙන්න මෙතනදී I'm using the green color. Okay. චිරන්තගේ නේද මයික් එකේ සද්දයක් එන්නේ. Then what is here? මෙතනදී y coordinate එක කීයද? How much it's y coordinate? Y coordinate. මෙන්න මේ point එකේදී y coordinate what is? How much? It's everywhere 1 නේද? Okay. This point also 1. This point also y coordinate 1. Okay. Now you have to plot the 2,1 coordinate on your Cartesian plane. හරි. මම ඕක දැන් කරන්න ගියොත් කොහොමද අපිට කරන්න වෙන්නේ? මම ඒ ටික මකනවා. හරි. Then first x is 2. එහෙනම් y is how much? How much? Y is 1. Where is the point? මෙන්න මෙතන නේද point එක. Can you get what is this one? 2,1 නේද? Is it? Can you get? Then you have to plot the 3,1. Can you? It's used as a B point. Point B. කොතනද 3,1 තියෙන්නේ? 3,1. Where is 3,1? මෙන්න මේ point එක නේද 3,1. It's B. Can you get it? Can you plot the 4,1 as a C? Can you do it? 4,1. Where is the 4,1? X is 4, Y is 1. Can you get? කොතනද තියෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මෙතන නෙමෙයිද? What is point? C. Then D. What is the point? D එක මන් දෙනවා 5,1. Can you get the point? Where is point? D. X is 5, Y is
1.
Y is 1. Okay, it's D. Can you now get minus 4,1? Where is minus? X is X coordinate එක කීයද දැන්?
-4.
Minus 4. Then Y is
1.
1. Minus 4,1. It's point. It's not D. මට වැරදුනා. එන එක E කියලා දාගන්න. Can you take it E? F 1,1 කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ? 1,1 plus 1,1 ඈ plus 1,1. Where is plus 1,1? Plus 1,1 මෙන්න මෙතන නේද? What is point? F. Then G 1,2. X coordinate is how much? Now G
X coordinate is 1. Y coordinate is 2.
yes. Okay. G is X coordinate 1, Y coordinate 2. Okay. Can you G H? H is X coordinate Y 1, Y coordinate 3. Can you get the where is the our coordinate? Where is
X coordinate is 1.
Y coordinate
Y
is
coordinate is 3.
oh. Are then I am going to give another H I. I is X coordinate is -3, Y coordinate is -4. Can you get? X coordinate is now -3, Y coordinate is -4. You have to tell me ඔන්න ඔය region තුනෙන් කොයි region එකටද ඔය I කියන coordinate එක එන්නේ කියන්න බලන්න. ඔය region 3 region 4 I coordinate එක කොයි region එකේද එන්නේ?
3.
Yes, it's in the third region. What is x is -3, y is -4. Is it this coordinate I? Okay. Then I am giving j coordinate. J coordinate -2, comma +2. Can you tell me what is the region? ඔන්න ඔය 1ද 2ද 3ද 4ද region එක j coordinate. -2, +2.
Third. Second region. Second.
Yes, second region එකේ නේද? X is -2, y is +2. Region is second region. Then k coordinate. I'm giving k coordinate. +3, -3. What is the region?
Fourth region.
Yes, fourth region. X is +3, y is -3. It's k. Now L coordinate. -2, -3. What is the region? කොයි ප්‍රදේශයට අයිතිද වෙන්නේ?
Third coordinate.
Yes, third region එකට තමයි අයිති වෙන්නේ. -2, -3. It's L. Okay. Did you got these all regions? How many regions, how many coordinates we plotted on the Cartesian plane? කීයක් ගණන් කරලා බලන්න අපි කීයක් plot කරාද කියලා? How much is? 12.
12.
12 නේද? Yes, 12 coordinates we plotted on the Cartesian plane. After you finish the writing lesson, After you finish, try send. Claudia, Litumi, Dehansa, are you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dulara, are you finish? Okay. Okay, write down the next subtopic. Representing decimal n and decimal n fractions on number line. Okay, representing decimal and fractions on number line. Okay, representing decimal and fractions on number line. Okay, what are the decimals? You know what are the decimal numbers. Okay, I am break into two parts. What are the decimals and fractions? 2.5 and half and 3.7. 1 and 1 over 2. Then 5 and 1 over 4. Then 7 over 2. What are the decimals? What are the fractions? Can you break down this into the two parts? Decimals and what is 2.5? Is it a decimal or fraction?
Decimal.
Yes, it's a decimal. Then half, is it a fraction or decimal?
Fraction.
Fraction. It's a fraction. Then 3.7.
Decimal.
3.7 is a decimal. This is the decimal point, 3.7. You know the decimal points. Then 1 and 1 over 2.
Fraction.
It's a fraction. 1 and half, 1 and 1 over 2. Then 5 and 1 over 4. 5 and 1 over 4. It's a fraction. Fraction. Okay. Then 7 over 2.
Fraction.
Yes, it's a fraction. Okay. Can you write down these two? What are the decimals and fractions? We now know how to divide into the decimals and fraction from the given numbers. You finish writing, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. The answer Dulara Tesandi. Okay. Draw this number line. Sorry. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. Then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. Then you have to tell, then where is the 1 point plus 1.5 between which whole numbers? कोई पूर्ण संख्या. What between which whole numbers 1.5 situated? कोई whole numbers දෙක අතරද 1.5 කියන එක තියෙන්නේ.
1 and 2.
Yes, 1 and 2. You know it. Okay. Then it's 1.5. Okay. If I am going to plot the fraction, you know what is the fraction? Okay. Then 2 and 1/4. 2 and 1/4. Between which numbers? Which whole numbers? කොයි දෙක අතරද තියෙන්නේ?
-2 and -1.
No. +2 and
+2 and +3.
yes, +2 and +3. කොයි පැත්තද වැඩියෙන් ලං වෙන්නේ? 4න් 1යිනේ ගිහිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ එහෙනම් +2 පැත්තට තමයි වැඩියෙන් නේද? Then 2 and 1/4. Can you get it? Okay. If you have to plot the -3.5 -3.5 between which whole numbers?
-3 and
-3 and
minus
-3 and -2, the -3 and -4.
-3 and -4.
Yes, -3 and -4. ඇයි අපි -3 කියන එක පහු කරලානේ අපි මේ පැත්තෙන්නේ පටන් ගන්න නේද? 0 වලින්. Then it's -3.5. Okay. If you have to plot the -4 and 1/2 between which numbers? කොයි දෙක අතරද තියෙන්නේ?
-4 and -5.
Yes, -4 and -5. Can you plot these numbers on your timeline at a number line? After you finish the plotting, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. The answer I finish.
Yes,
Okay. Can you see the number line? Write the number that represented by the point A, B, C, D, E, and F on the given number line. Okay. Can you see the whole number gap, consecutive whole number gap, divided into how many parts? කීයකට බෙදලා තියෙයිද consecutive whole number gap එකක්? . T එකට බෙදලා තියෙනවද? කියන්න මේ ගැප් එකක් කීයකට බෙදලා තියෙනවද? මේ ගැප් එක ගන්නව 1යි 2යි අතර. How many small gaps there between 1 and 2? කීයකට බෙදලා තියෙනවද? 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? කීයකට බෙදලා තියෙනවද?
5.
Hmm?
5.
5. Okay. එතකොට බලන්න if 1 divided into 5 parts, 1 divided by 5, then how many 5s per 1? එකට කීයක් තියෙනවද 5? නෑ නේද? Then 0, 0. If divide by, then how many 5s per 10? කීයද?
2.
2. එහෙනම් then 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Okay. then බලන්න 0.2. if this one මෙන්න මෙතනින් ගියොත් එක ඉරක් පහුවෙනවා කියන්නේ 0.2. then 0.4, 0. here 0.2, 4, 6, 8 and 1. Okay, can you tell me what is the what is the D coordinate is? D point.
0.8.
Yes, 0.8. Okay, can you get the other points? Can you get? What is the? It's pass in 1. E point is pass in 1. And how much distance pass by the small gaps? Small gaps කීයක් පහු කරගෙන ගිහිලා තියෙනවද? E වලට යනකොට 1 point how much? After you got the answers, මම E එකත් කරන්නම්. How much E? කියන්න බලන්න. එක පහු වුණා. එහෙනම් 1 point. How many small gaps?
1.6.
Yes, 1.6. Okay, get the other answers and send me it. Do quickly. Okay. Ludisha answers are correct. Check the Ludisha C sign. Sign of C. Chiranta, A is minus between which numbers? B is අපි බලන්න කොයි පැත්තෙන්ද පටන් ගන්නෙ 0 ඉඳන් යන්න බලන්නවා 0 ඉඳන් යනකොට ඔයාට හම්බෙයි චිරන්ත 0 ඉඳන් දකුණට වම් පැත්තට යන්න චිරන්ත can you do it
Okay.
හරි 0 ඉඳන් යනකොට තමයි ඔයාට හම්බෙන්නේ ඔය අංක මොනවද කියලා බලන්න චිරන්ත C එක හම්බෙන්නේ 0.2 වලදී නේද ඔයාට 0 ඉඳන් යනකොට
Yes.
Claudia where is the science science වලට මොකද උනේ Claudia හැලුණාද minus ටිකේ minus sign නැහැනේ can you check again Litumi you get wrong බලන්න ආයෙ පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න Litumi ඔයා 0 ඉඳන් යන්නකෝ මම ඕන පොඩ්ඩක් explain කරන්න ඔයාට දැන් මෙතන 0 වලින් පටන්ගෙන මේ පැත්තට යන්න ඕනවා එතකොට D හම්බ වෙනවා ඒක හම්බ වෙන්නේ ඔයා 0 1 කියන එක you didn't pass through හරි ඒක පහු වෙලා නැහැ හරි එතකොට තමයි D කියන එක 0.8 වෙන්නේ E කියන එක බලන්න 0 වෙනා යනකොට 1 පහු වෙනවා ඔන්න 1 පහු වෙලා then it's 1.6 also reverse එකට යනවා නම් 0 ඉඳන් එක පහු වෙලාද දැන් -1 පහු වෙලාද C වලට යනකොට Yes, Claudia, it's a correct. Chiranta, your answers are correct. Okay, now I am going to discuss. What is the F is?
$2.2.
Yes, 2.2. Then C is
0.2.
0.2. Okay. Now I am going to the B. On the B වලට යනකොට -1 පහු වුණා. Then how much? B is minus
minus 1.4.
Then A is අපි A යන්නේ දෙකත් පහු කරගෙන
minus 2.6.
yes minus 2.6. Okay, I got the all answers. ගත්තද? හරි. Now I am going to discuss next one. Now you have to plot these numbers on the time number line. Can you plot? ඔයාලට බැරි වේද plot කරන්න? Then what is the maximum value is 4.1. Okay. Then least value is 1.8. Can you plot? Okay. Can you do? I think you know how to do it. Take to get right. 1.8 between which numbers?
One and two.
Yes, 1.8 between 1 and 2. 1.8. After you finish, raise hand. Remember to mark the arrow in the timeline. Okay. Arrow එක mark කරන්න. Are you finished? If you finish, can you raise up? I finished මං හිතනවා දැන් ඇති කියලා වෙලාව. Okay. Then 3.5 between which numbers? 3.5.
3 and 4.
Yes, 3 and 4. 3.5. Then 2.6.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. 2.6. Then 4.1.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. 4.1. Okay. Did you mark up? Did you mark කරාද?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
do did you do the second? මේකේ least value එක තියෙන්නේ next one එකේ 13.2 and highest value is 16.3. It's enough to draw the 12 to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 and 18. මම මේ range එක විතරක් ලකුණු කරගත්තා. Then first 13.2, where is? What are the numbers between? What are the whole numbers?
13 and 14.
13 and 14. 13.2. Then 14.7.
14 and 15.
Yes. 15.5.
15 and 16.
Yes. 15 and 16. 15.5. 16.3 between.
16 and 17.
Yes. 16 and 17. 16.3. Okay. I finished the markup. Where are they? If you finish now, raise hand. Dehansa, Dulara, Litumi, I finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arrange each of the following groups of number in ascending order using a number line. Can you do? Okay. First, when the main number sticker, can you plot on the number line? Number line එක plot කරලා, can you write the order of the ascending? Can you do? I finished the plotting. First one.
-3.
හරි. plot කරලා ඉවරයි නේද? මම first one එක plot කරන්න what is the least one is -3 නේද? Is it -3? Least one is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 likewise. Least number is
-3.
-3. Then
-2.
-2. Then 1 and 1/2 is between 1 and 2. Ne? Okay. -1.5 yeah. Then -1.5. This is -2, -3. This is 1 and 1/2. Now, can you write on the ascending order? What is the least number?
-3.
-3. Next.
-2.
-2. Next.
-1.5.
Yes, -1.5. Then 1 and 1/2. Okay.
2.
හරි. ඔයාලට ওই විදිහට කරන්න පුළුවන් second one එක. Can you do? Plot the numbers on the number line and write on the ascending order. Yes, Claudia answers are correct. Claudia done all. Okay. ඔක්කොගේම answers ටික ඉවරලා තියෙනවා.
Sir, did you say something? I couldn't hear you.
Can you hear me now? මම එනවද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me the second one? What is the least number? අඩු පොඩිම සංඛ්‍යාව මොකක්ද? Second one එකේ -5.2. Next one is
-0.5.
yes. Next one is
2.5.
2.5. Next one is
3/3
and 1/4.
and 1/4.
Okay. Third one Can you tell me, Ludisha? What is that?
Yes, 4.1.
Minus 4.1 is the least one. Next one?
Minus 2 and 2 of 5.
Yes. Next one is
0.
0. Next one, 1 and 1 over 4. Ne? Adi. Fourth one, can you tell me? Litumini? Litumi? What is the least one is fourth one?
So I'm not done yet.
Okay. Ludisha? Ludisha, no, Tisasta, did you do? Fourth one?
No.
Okay.
Is it minus 10.5?
Yes, least one is minus 10.5. Next one is minus
1.3.
1.3. Next one is
2.7.
yes, 2.7. Next one is
5.
Five.
1. 4.
yes, 5 and 1 over 4. Okay. I finish all. ඔක්කොම ඉවරද?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you finish, raise hand now. Okay. අද පොඩ්ඩක් වෙලා යයි ඉවර වෙනකොට ක්ලාස් එක මම මේ ටික ගොඩක් දුරට ඉවර කරන්න බැලුවේ. Write down the next topic. Represent inequality on number line. Represent inequality on number line. Okay. If there is a inequality like this, can you read it? මොකක්ද? Okay, read කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියන්නේ? How we read this? How we read it? How we
X greater than 2.
yes, x greater than 2. Okay, now we have to represent it on number line. How we do it? Okay, then I am got the 0 first, then in the right side 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 likewise. Okay, then -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, like this. Okay. Then x greater than. එහෙනම් x කියන එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? What? It's greater than 2. දෙකට වැඩිනේ. How we represent it? Then I am circling the 2 and I'm using another color. Circling it 2 and I am colored up the greater region. What is greater region? Alright. Can you mark up it? Common. If you have another like this, මොකද මම මේ යටින් ඉරි කෑල්ලක් ගැහුවා. I am get a dash under the inequality. How we read this one? X is greater than n. What? Greater than n equal. දැන් මොකද වෙන්නේ? greater වෙනවා වගේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? equal උත් වෙනවා. equal මෙතන ඉස්සෙල්ලා ලියන්න 2 greater than 2. Okay, x is greater than and equal to n. ඔය දෙක අපි වෙනස කොහොමද ලකුණු කරන්නේ? Now I am going to plot up on the timeline number line. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likewise. Okay, then -1, -2, -3 and -4. Okay, then how we represent this one? Okay, then මොකද කරන්නේ? මේකේ -2 sorry +2 ගාව ඉස්සලානේ circle කරේ. I am what is shading the circle. Circle එක shade කරනවා. Okay, can you do? Okay, can you compare the both x greater than 2 and x greater than equal to? Okay, can you understand it? තේරුණාද? තේරුණා නේද? If you finish the write on this example on the book, raise hand. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, yes.
Sir, අපි මෙතන අර 6 පළවෙනි එකේ 6 කියලා දානවා sir. ඒකට constant value එකක් තියෙනවා sir. ඒ කියන්නේ 6 විතරමත් දාන්න පුළුවන් නැත්නම් අපිට කැමති number එකක් දාන්න.
කොතනද දැන් මේ number line එකේද?
ඔව් sir.
number line එකේ අපිට කැමති තැනකට ලකුණු කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ value එක represent කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න අපිට -10 මේ 10 වලට 12 වලට ඕන එකකට පුළුවන්. හරි. අපි අර පොඩි ප්‍රමාණ range එකක් ගන්න. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. If you finish, raise hand now. මේ ටික ලකුණු කරගත්තම raise hand ගන්න. Dular, are you finished? ඉවරයිනේ. You have to get the x greater than 5 and x greater than equal -2. Okay, can you represent these values on a number line? Can you do? මට පුළුවන් වේද? Okay. How we represent x greater than 5? 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Seven, 8, likewise. Then -1, -2. Okay. Can you tell me what are the greater values than 5? පහට වැඩි මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? x greater than 5. What are the values?
6,
6,
7,
7 and 8. අපි එතකොට how we write? It's circling or shading? The 5.
circle,
Circling. Okay. Circling and and the color in the right side of the number line. Okay. Can you do it? දකුණු පැත්ත පාට කරන්න තියෙනවා. Then what is this? X, මෙන්න මේ x greater than equal minus 2. How we do it? What are the values greater than or equal minus 2? ඍණ දෙකට වැඩිය සමාන සහ වැඩි ඒවා මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? What are the values? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Can you tell me? We have to circle or shading. Minus 2.
shading,
Shading. It's equal. Okay. I'm shading. Now right side or left side?
right side,
Yes.
side.
Right side. Okay. Can you do this? Okay. If you finish, raise hand. Dudisha, I finish. ඉවරයිනේ. Dulara, I finish. Okay. Okay. Can you see this? Balan, can you see first one represent each following inequalities on a separate number line. Okay. Then මේ වගේ inequality එකක් දුන්නොත් how we do? Then අපිට ටිකක් අමාරුයි නේද? මේක දුන්නොත් කොහොමද හිතන්නේ? How we think about this plotted on the number line? Okay. No, do you can divide into two parts. Okay. මෙන්න මේ වගේ හේකුයි. Can you do this? Can you do? Divide into the two parts. Separate to two parts the inequality. Can you do? මම මොකද කරේ? මේ x එකක් ගත්තා. මේකේ අනික් එකක් ගත්තා. Can you do? ඒ වගේ ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Then you have to plot this one on number line. Okay, plot කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. I think you can do it. 5, 6, likewise. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. Can you tell me this one? X is how we read? -2 less than X. Hari? How we represent it? Then X මොකද වෙන්නේ? -2 වලට වැඩිද අඩුයිද? කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? කට ඇරිලා තියෙන්නේ කොයි පැත්තට? X පැත්තට නේද? X එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? -2 වලට වැඩිය නම් දැන් -2 I am circled. Left side or right side now? -2 වලට වැඩිද X අඩුයිද? -2 වලට
වැඩි
වැඩි. එහෙනම් කොයි පැත්තද?
right side
Right side. Okay. Then it's right side. Next inequality says what? It's X is less than මොකද කියන්නේ? X 3ට වැඩිය අඩුයි කියනවා නේද? X less than 3. Can you get? 3 වලට වැඩිය මොකද කියන්නේ? It's less than 3. 3ට වැඩිය අඩුයි. Okay. Then how we get? එහෙනම් ඔන්න 3ට වැඩිය අඩුයි කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඍණ 2ට වැඩිය වැඩි කියනවා 3ට වැඩිය අඩුයි කියනවා. එහෙනම් what is the range? එහෙනම් ඔය කොළ පාටිනුයි රතු පාටිනුයි දෙකෙන්ම තියෙන region එක තමයි එහෙනම් you have to mark up. හරි? Can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. එහෙනම් ඕක තේරුණා නම් can you divide the -2 less than X less than or equal to? Can you separate to two inequalities? දෙකකට කඩන්න පුළුවන්ද ඔයාලට? මේ වගේ මං ඉස්සෙල්ලා කරා වගේ. Can you separate it? Can you separate?
yes sir
Okay. අපිට එකපාරටම අරව හිතන්න බෑ. අපිට separate කරගන්නම වෙනවා. What is -3 less than X, other is X less than or equal to? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. X -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. The -3 වලට වැඩිය මොකද වෙනවා කියන්නේ? If it's greater than the -3. greater than the minus 3. Then it's less than or equal. Less than or equal 2. Ne? Okay. The range is between the minus 3 and plus 2. Okay. Can you understand? If you finish, okay, write down this. After you finish, raise hand. Write down the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth inequalities. ඒ 4 ලියා ගන්නකො. මම ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ දැම්මා. ඒ 4 ලියා ගන්න. ඒක homework එකක් විදියට කරන්න. Fourth, fifth, sixth, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Dehansa, Claudia, I finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question what we did today? අද කරපුවා මොනවද ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? නෑ නේද? හරි. එහෙනම් අපි next week එකේට කලින් ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මම ක්ලාස් එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි. මම කලින් මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්නම්. අපිට ඉක්මනට මේක ඉවර කරලා පටන් ගන්න එපා next year එකත් නේද? හරි. එහෙනම් හැමෝටම good night, okay?
No, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good night, sir.
Okay.